right, so we are at RNL Showcase Room in Mission Ranch. So this home is located in the ridge of Mission Ranch. So this is sitting on a 75-foot lot. Everything in this area would be 75-foot lots, and they have other areas and neighborhoods, even some gated communities in Mission Ranch, but we'll take a look at this one. One thing I do like about this is that if you was to go out on this street and you have kids, River Bend Elementary is walking distance, and some kids even go along the route to be able to walk to school. So if you have elementary kids, that will be good for them to be able to have access to River Bend Elementary. But RNL Homes is a semi-custom builder in the Brazos Valley area. So you will only find the RNL custom homes in this area. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this model home and let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and walk in. So we'll have the upstairs. We'll go to that here in a second, but right here to the left, you have your office, study room. I like how they have this laid out where wood walls, and then we'll walk here in the hallway, and then you have your half bathroom for your guests. And then you have your closet for jackets, and over here just as well have another extra closet for when people first walk in underneath the stairs. And then right when you walk in, just living room open concept. Love these kitchen, love these black countertops. They have the smart feature homes, and love this dining room area so you can be able to see, can fit a full dining room table. Great natural light. And we're going to go and take a look at our master bedroom. Got your electric fireplace. Let's go ahead and walk into the master bedroom. Oh man, they laid this one out very nice. So we'll go into the master bathroom, which always does it. So you have your his and her sink. And your walk-in shower. Then of course, can't forget the lovely walk-in closet, built-in shelves space. Has some great depth. All the way, just finished walking all the way from the back, coming back to the front, and then we'll walk back out here. Have your towels. Then you have your stall room over here. So we will go, we'll check out the back patio. This back patio does have a kitchen set, outside fan. So you have guests, friends, family members who wants to be able to come out. Now, oftentimes you'll see people who will buy this as a secondary home, people who are just looking to downgrade. And oftentimes people like to have game day homes. So if you're familiar with Texas A&M, this is the area where people will get a second day game home. So Mission Ranch is about 10 minutes or less from Cal Stadium. So let's go ahead and take a look over here. You got your laundry room. You have your pantry. Of course, you have your garage, and as most model homes has a few things in here that you can imagine, but a 2-car garage. All right, so let's go ahead and go upstairs. Right as you come upstairs, you can have like your little study room, study section. And then we'll walk in the kids' room. And they have the Jack and Jill sink. Have a full-size bathroom. And then you have your second bedroom. So this is going to be 4 bedrooms total. And this one over here can be treated as a guest room, flex room, as they have this one laid out. And then you're gonna also have last bathroom here. Then you have the extra closet space. So that will be it for this RNL model home. If you have any questions or something that you wanted to see or I missed, please make sure you call, text, or schedule an appointment on my calendar. I would love to be able to see what questions you maybe have, what did I miss, and tell you more about some of the incentives that they currently have going now. So reach out to me so we can take a look at this home and see if it'll be a good fit for you as you looking to move or invest in the Bryan-College Station area. We'll talk soon.